are pleased to show you the 2015 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, first aid kit, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.